Asus ExpertBook B1 14th Gen. Unity Systems Solutions. Looking for a reliable business laptop that balances performance, portability, and productivity? Say hello to the Asus ExpertBook B1 B1503 CVA, a powerful and professional laptop designed for modern workforces. Finished in a sleek, gentle grey, the ExpertBook B1 is all about subtle professionalism. Weighing just 1.65 kilograms and measuring under 2 centimeters thick, it's light and slim enough to carry from meetings to coffee shops without compromise. It's powered by the latest Intel Core 5 120U processor with 10 cores and 12 threads, clocking up to 5.0 GHz. That's paired with 8 GB of DDR5 RAM and a fast 512 GB NVMe PCIe 4.0 SSD, perfect for multitasking, spreadsheets, video calls, and more. The integrated Intel UHD graphics handles everyday visual tasks with ease, from presentations to 1080p video playback. 50 watts, 3S1P, 3-cell Li-ion long-life rechargeable lithium polymer battery. Power supply. Type-C, 65-watt AC adapter. Output, 20 VDC, 3.25A, 65-watt. Asus backpack. The 15.6-inch Full HD display features Asus's Nano Edge design with an 87% screen-to-body ratio, providing immersive visuals in a compact frame. Plus, the anti-glare coating and TV Rainland Eye Care certification ensure comfort, even during those long work hours. You get a 1080p FHD webcam with a privacy shutter. Connectivity? You're covered. The ExpertBook B1 includes 2 ex-USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C ports with DisplayPort and power delivery, 2 ex-USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-A, HDMI 1.4, RJ45 Ethernet, a 3.5mm combo audio jack, backlit Chiclet keyboard with NumKey, 1.35mm key travel, spill-resistant keyboard, fingerprint sensor integrated with touchpad. With Copilot in Windows built-in and a dedicated Copilot key, your AI-powered productivity assistant is always one tap away, helping you stay focused and efficient, whether you're drafting documents or scheduling meetings. Built to handle the demands of business, the ExpertBook B1 meets MIL STD 810H military-grade durability standards, giving you peace of mind wherever work takes you. Wireless connections are equally solid with Bluetooth 5.3 and support for Wi-Fi 6E, delivering faster, more stable internet, essential for hybrid work and cloud collaboration. So, who's the Asus ExpertBook B1 for? If you're a student, a remote professional, or a business user who needs a dependable workhorse, this laptop nails the essentials with a few premium touches. With a 3-year international warranty and on-site support, Asus means business, and so can you. Memory. This system comes with 8 GB of DDR5 SODIMM and supports up to 64 GB, giving you plenty of headroom for multitasking, gaming, or content creation. Storage. It features a fast and spacious combo of 1TB M.2 NVMe PCIe 4.0 SSD for your main drive, plus an additional 512GB M.2 NVMe PCIe 4.0 SSD, perfect for extra storage or installing more programs.